Here we're given an equation in point-slope form and asked to graph the equation. To do that, we have to figure out what the equation is telling us. Well, if it's in point-slope form, there's a point in there somewhere, and there's a slope. Well, the slope is pretty easy to find because it's always in front of x. So we'll make a note that our slope, which we call m, is 1/4. Well, then we have to figure out from this form what our point is, and remember, the first number in a point is x, the second number is y. So let's go over here to our x territory and figure out what our x coordinate has to be. Well, since point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, then that means that this is minus negative in order to make that plus. So our 3 has to be negative, but we don't want to put it in the y spot. We want to put it in the x spot. So -3 for x, and our y, which is the number that's over here subtracted from the y, is 2, so our point is -3, 2. Our first step will be to plot -3, 2. So we start at the origin and then move to the to the left 3, and then we'll go up 2 and plot our point. And then we'll use our rise over run approach. So from this point, we're going to rise 1. So we'll rise 1, and then we'll run 4, which puts us there. This is our second point. Let me make those points in a different color to make them stand out a little bit. So here was our first point. And here's our second point. So now we're going to draw the line. Let's get a line tool. And connect the dots. And there it is. There's our line.